Hey Jammers, and welcome to another video. It's Girl with 2i76 here. Today I'm with my friends. Say hi.
Hi.
In real life. Yeah, I just came back from my school and it's the worst day ever. The worst day ever.
You said it was the best day ever this morning.
Yeah, because I got a spiked wristband in the adventure. Yeah, I did a gift war with her, so there's a lot of gifts. A wolf, Cameron, whatever it's called. A beta pink, I swear, if she sent me all clothes items, then I will go crazy. I mean, oh yay, all den items, I will go crazy. She's sending me all the wall eye, isn't she? Oh no, she's not. Yay, clothes items. I gave her pretty good stuff. And she gave me bags.
I gave you that wristband.
No? I already have the one you gave me. Ooh! Tiki umbrella table. No, she's giving me a lot of den items. No! No! You gave me too many den items. I don't like
only a few.
Yeah, but I don't like den items. I have nothing really. She's spamming with den items, doesn't she? And look at my clothes items, 116. I curse me, but 1, 2, 3. Seriously, she spammed me with. I gave her that.
I gave her that.
She did. You did. Oh, I gave her that, and she gave it back.
I gave her that too.
Oh, I gave her that.
You gave me that.
Yeah, but
I gave her that.
oh my god, I'm so mad. I'm mad at her. I'm mad at you.
You're not typing.
What? I am mad at you. Send me clothes. Not then.
Well, I thought you don't want any more clothes. You have 116.
No, I want more than that.
Oh, okay.
Seriously?
I gave her that.
You did? Wow, she's so rude. What? I gave her that.
I have the red
Same
one.
with that. Oh yeah, that clothes items now. Oh wow, bunny hats. Thank you. Those are beautiful. That's a spike. That is so rare. It's scarred. Hello, sorry, I want to trade anymore. Yeah. Oh yeah. Send me clothes right now. Now. I mean it. Now. Shh. Now, please. She scared me! You scared me!
What did you do?
Oh, JK. Oh wow, she's spamming me with the things I spammed her with. Excuse me? Oh yeah.
What the heck?
Oh my god.
Wasn't she wearing that?
I think.
You gave her that.
Can you send me den items, LOL? Yeah,
Rewards.
the ones you gave me. Yeah, I'll spam you with all the ones you gave me, lady. No, actually, I know what to send her. Okay, no. Oh,
Yeah,
no.
I gave her that.
Yeah, she's having it back. No, that's my puppy. I told her to keep. You gave my puppy away? Curse. I'm giving it to her. Keep this forever.
Sorry. Almost kind of eager to win the gift wars. I'm sorry.
Don't talk to me. I'm kidding. I just realized I was recording. No, I like those. She does not deserve that. Okay. Yeah, you can have a cat. Girl, She is still supposed to be sending me my clothes items back. Oh yeah, you can have your wall of ivy back. That's all I'm giving her. She meanie.
She only sent you gift 2 things.
Sad. Thank you. Freedom hat. Wing shows why I gave you that. LOL. Oh yeah, she sent me a gift. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back.
Ooh.
Yay! Yay! Hello?
Oh my god.
Where'd she go? I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, I'm back, guys. She's spamming me with the gifts now because I told her to. I deserve all of it.
Ooh.
Excuse me?
Ooh.
That's all the stuff I gave her. Well, another flower crown. Yeah, thank you. I'm gonna discard that. Yay, thank you so much. Yay! Okay. So save for recording. It's not good. Okay. Turn around. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! That is good. What is your problem, person? You have mental problems. You are mental, okay? Mentor. Hopefully you're watching this video so you can see what I'm talking about. You're mental. We're saying that's bad. That is the beautifulest. No, you gave me that. That is the most beautifulest thing I ever saw in my life. If I do, what?
If can you
spam me with gifts if I do? Yes, spam me.
Spam M.
Whatever. I'm gonna spam you with dead items. Oh no, not clothes items. I'll be right back, you guys. I'm gonna keep spamming her. Alright, we're back and she spammed me with gifts too. Oh yes. Lasso. Okay. This video is really long. Who cares? Oh, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna go really fast. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Oh yeah, witch mask. How much wood would a woodchuck of a woodchuck wood? I can do that real fast. How much wood would a woodchuck of a woodchuck wood? Oh yeah, I did it. Yes, I did. How much wood would a woodchuck of la 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 la? How much wood would a woodchuck of a woodchuck wood? Booyah. Oh, she's not back my answer.
Did you delete it?
No.
Oh yeah.
I'm recording. Sorry. Any more gifts? Is anyone cool I know online? Hi. I'm open to be a big quick. Okay, now let's see how much clothes I have. Ready? Dun 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 dun. 149. That's much better.
Oh wow.
Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this Mailtime video. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Subscribe for more giveaways. So yeah. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.